And I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I worked for IRS for a decade, and I have been in private practice for 4 decades. I have been doing this for 50 years. Many of you have come to me. You've seen me on all the news stations. You're welcome to go ahead and check out my former IRS agents, attorneys, and CPAs, our cast of characters at 777irs.com. You know, I do these videos for 3 reasons so you don't get ripped off. I do them to educate you, and I want to make sure that I can inform you and give you the things you need to do. And today, what I want to talk to you about is the employee retention credit. We are receiving a number of calls about the IRS coming out and auditing CPA firms and businesses and private individuals that have taken a little bit advantage of the employee retention credit. IRS is really cracking down on this. A matter of fact, they have 2 groups of people that are working these cases right now. They have a team of former IRS agents. They're called, of IRS agents. They're called revenue agents. They're the higher paid, higher dollar, smarter, and a team of many teams of criminal investigators for Internal Revenue Service, where you may have a knock on the door from a special agent. We have been in touch with a special agent with Internal Revenue Service, and they're forming many groups really all over the United States. There's been a lot of fraud, as you can imagine. There's been a lot of fraud in a lot of the different government projects. The different systems that they've had out and all the credits they've given. And IRS is really cracking down on this for one reason: the money is huge. You know the dollars amount that you get for every employee. So what IRS is in fact doing is they're going ahead and they're looking at the different payroll books, they're looking at general ledgers, and they're looking at a whole bunch of other factors. They have a whole list of things that they're looking for. So if you are going through an employee retention credit audit, you may want to give us a call. We have, like, on staff, tax attorneys, both civil and criminal. We have former IRS agents, both in the collection division, a revenue agent, and 2 in the appeals division, so we can help you with any problem. Before you get involved in that, or if someone comes out and knocks on your door, you want to find out if it's a criminal investigator or if IRS is just auditing you. If it's a special agent, you should not talk to that person, because they're looking to go ahead and looking to put somebody in jail or prison or incarcerate them, whereas a revenue agent is just coming out, in fact, to audit you. They are going to be looking up and down your records for the last couple years. They're going to pull up, like I said, your payroll, your general ledger, and making sure everything's matching with your employee retention credit forms that you turned over. Anyway, you can look me up below. My information is down there, and when you call me, I'll get you in touch with one of our former IRS agents who has an expertise in exactly what you're looking for. Thank you for listening. If you'd give me a subscription, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much.